Good afternoon guys, good afternoon. Nandito po tayo sa Cairns today. And this is our ship guys, Silver Muse. And ayan guys, meron tayong katabing barko doon which is Carnival Splendor. Laki guys. So ito lang po yung ating cruise terminal dito sa Cairns. Napakasimple lang niya guys. Alright. Hey, nga. Shout out. Yay. Enjoy ba sa labas? Alright. Ayan guys, dami nating fans guys, no? So ayan. So ito yung ating cruise terminal dito sa Cairns guys. Napakasimple lang talaga niya guys. So ito lang yung mga display. And then wala din siyang internet guys. Hindi kagaya nung nasa Brisbane guys. So ayan guys, medyo simple lang talaga siya. At lalabas na tayo saglit. And just to show you some of the best spot dito sa Cairns. So ayan guys, meron din tayong mga Bisaya na mga crew dito guys, no? And ayan, pag nakita-kita, nagbibisaya guys, alright? So yes, ito yung Cairns guys, napakasimple lang din. And just like Brisbane or any Australian city guys, aside from Sydney of course, medyo maliliit lang yung mga building lang dito guys. Not really like high-rise like that in Makati. Doon mo lang yan siya makita sa CBD ng Sydney as well as CBD ng Brisbane guys. Pero dito sa Cairns, napakasimple lang din ng life dito guys, okay? Kadalasan ng mga crew dito, kung pinuntahan nila yung yung mga markets and so on, but I'm just gonna show you Cairns Esplanade, which is yung mga pinupuntahan ng mga Australiano guys, because it's like a man-made lagoon. Alright, so pakita natin sa iyo maya-maya. Tama-tama lang yung outfit natin today. Nakachinilas lang tayo kasi yung ibang mga Australiano guys, and even the Kiwis in New Zealand are on their barefoot. Kaya yung chinilas guys is just fine here in Australia, especially in the Northern Territories. Ayan. So guys, isa sa mga landmark na lugar dito sa Cairns is this casino guys. Alright, so yun yung casino dito guys. Kung gusto nyo mag-casino, meron tayong malaking building dito, and I'm sure libre yung pagkain dyan sa loob pag nagsusugal ka. Alright, kaya dami mga crew dyan guys na pumupunta just to gamble kasi hindi pa alam, baka swertehin, di ba? Alright, so yan guys, no? I think in my opinion maganda yung Australia titirhan guys, no? And tingnan mo guys, napaka-aliwalas ng paligid. Pero kung titingnan niyo guys, ang ganda talaga ng paligid. Napakaganda, hindi malamig, sakto lang yung, you know, mainit siya, medyo humid na kasi nasa northern part na siya konti ng Australia. Alright, kaya so balance sila. Okay, so ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa Cairns Esplanade. Alright, so ayan, so this is like a man-made lagoon guys, with kids can play. And at the same time na may mga bubbles, ang daming mga kids na naglalaro, and you had a good view of the scenery because there's a sea outside. And unfortunately protected po siya because ang dami pong mga saltwater crocodile sharks dito sa Australia guys. And mind you, this is very safe when it comes to taking a bath. And true enough guys, tama-tama lang yung outfit natin kasi nakatsinilas lang tayo, and there's a sand here, so that gives you a very nice view of the place around. And sarap niyang liguan guys, no? And sarap talaga yung lugar. Yeah, the blue, you know, turquoise water. Alright, at saka marami ding mga doon guys, mga just nagbabad lang. And then you also have a Ferris wheel at a distance, and some people also like playing music. So napakaganda talaga ng vibes guys. So again, this is the Cairns Esplanade. So pag nandito kayo sa Cairns guys, puntahan nyo itong lugar na to. Alright, so ayan guys, no? I'm going back to the ship now. I hope guys na-enjoy nyo yung kunting lakad natin dito sa Cairns, and we hope to see you in Darwin. Bye bye.